the new released National Transformation Plan that they have secured in 2025-2029. Through that meeting, the agenda was how can the private sector be part of the accelerating those National Transformation Plan with the government. And then after the meeting, after a successful meeting, to be honest with you, with the Minister of Planning, we came back to the offices and saw what do we offer the Somali people. As the telecom sector, or as the technology sector, sorry, and our partners, what do we bring back to Somalia, apart from getting money, of course? We checked through all the platforms that we do and all the services that we provide, and we saw that most, if not all of them, at least support the SDG goals, especially through technology. Because as technology companies, this is the reason we are here, to better the lives of our people. And through there, if we are already bettering the lives of our people, we can at least connect with the government and humanitarian sectors along to at least achieve the similar goals. Through there, through our partnership with Hormud, which is the largest telecom provider in Somalia, Arkaan, Baahan, Ma'allim, and EduPlan. Through those companies, we came about 3 or 4 different sectors to work with together through the private sector. With that, we have brought you the agricultural sector. We've worked on the agricultural sector. We've worked on the mass communication sector. We've worked on the healthcare sector. And most importantly, we've worked on the educational sector. And through all those platforms, we've seen that they at least, not even 1 or 2, they at least accomplish at least 3 or 4 sustainable development goals. With that, we've seen that these platforms have subscribers, have paying subscribers. So if they can help the active subscribers or the paying subscribers, we see that the people that are underserved, it will help them immensely. So with that, this is the whole reason we came into to this forum, which is accelerating sustainable development goals through technology and through partnerships, practical partnerships. Right now, as for example, WFP is here, they work through the remote areas of Somalia. We have UNICEF, which at least help the hospitals and MCHs deliver services to underserved mothers and underserved farmers and underserved fishermen to at least better their lives. If the humanitarian sector can do that, and the government already has the priorities through the National Transformation Plan, why is the private sector not included? That is why we have brought together the private sector, the humanitarian industries, and the governmental representatives together today to at least discuss how we can move together. Of course, we are moving in the same direction. At least let's move on the same car. Let's not use different cars. We use one car to at least achieve those goals. With that, I welcome at least international companies to be here and intermingle with humanitarian sectors and government. Like we have Mitsumi Distribution, which is one of the leading distribution companies in Africa. We also have Hata Computers, and we have Tabarak ICT, who is ICT provider throughout Somalia. So with those companies, technology companies and hardware companies, and the representatives through the government and the private sector here, let's at least have this networking ability, and let us discuss what is missing through Somalia and how we can achieve it together. With that, I thank you again and welcome again to the Technology for Development Forum 2026. Thank you very much.